All right, friends. Now you've had a chance to watch the video about Module 5, Lesson 2. We're going to take a look at how to complete the problem set. If you did not watch the video, go back into this Nearpod right now. Go back to your schedule and watch the video lesson first. This is just showing you how to work and give you ideas of how to solve the problems. But if you didn't watch the lesson, you need to see the entire lesson. Okay, our objective is to add and subtract multiples of 100, including counting on to subtract. Now we know we have lots of strategies that we can use, and one of those was to use the number chart or place value chart. You're thinking about hundreds, tens, and ones. In the video, it showed us how to build the numbers and how to add hundreds and how to build the numbers and subtract hundreds. It showed us in the arrow way. And it also showed us some other strategies as far as counting on or counting back. Now, our job with our first problem is to solve each addition or subtraction problem using place value strategies. Use the arrow way or mental math and record your answers. Now, it does say that we can use scratch paper if you'd like. I'm going to use my place value chart because that's my best strategy that I like to use to solve the problems. Use what strategy works for you. Now, we're going to take a look at this first one, A. 200, 4 tens plus 3 hundreds. They have this in expanded form, so I need to build this on my place value chart. So I'm looking at 2 hundreds. So I'm going to draw 2 hundreds. Then it tells us 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Then it says we're going to add. Make sure you're watching those signs, whether we're adding or subtracting. It says we're going to add 3 hundreds. So I'm going to draw 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to find out how many hundreds we have. We can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in my blank, I'm going to write 5 hundredths. Then it says tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. Now they have the problem. 240, 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, plus 300, 1, 2, 300, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 10, 20, 30, 40. There's how we solve the addition problems. Now let's take a look at the subtraction. Erase that. Look at our subtraction problem. Talking about 200, 2 ones. So I'm going to build that first. 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me show you that problem again. 6 hundreds, 2 ones. Got my numbers mixed up there. And then draw 2 ones. 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. 1, 2 ones. Then it says to take off, subtract. Here's my sign telling me I am subtracting 4 hundredths. This time I'm actually going to take off 4 hundredths. So I'm going to take off 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can count to find out how many hundreds I have left. Looking, I have 1, 2 hundredths, no tens. Oh, no tens. And 1, 2 ones. So I started with 600, 2 ones. We subtracted 4 hundreds. I now have 2 hundreds, no tens, and 2 ones. We needed to use that 0 as a place value holder so that when we went to go do our number, we would remember that there's no tens. So 202. All right, friends. Now it's your turn to try a couple of the problems. Remember to watch the signs. If you need to, circle them before you complete the problem. That will help you to focus on whether you're adding or whether you're subtracting. Remember, you can use what way you want. You can do the arrow way. You can do mental math. You can use a piece of scratch paper, or you can use a place value chart. It's up to you. Don't forget to hit submit.